Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by inspecting the screw head and surrounding material. This determines method and tool. Use a flashlight to spot stripped slots or rust. Make sure the workpiece is secure. Apply penetrating oil and let it soak for 5–10 minutes to loosen corrosion. Select the correct driver that still bites. If it won't, prepare an extractor or a left-hand drill bit. Once done, position a clamp if needed. You want steady force, so the next steps remove the screw, not damage the part. You then attempt controlled extractions. Place a rubber band over the head for grip, or use a slightly larger driver and tap it with a hammer to seat the bit. If that fails, drill a small pilot hole in the screw center with a left-hand bit. Often the bit will grab and spin the screw out. If using a threaded extractor, insert and turn counterclockwise slowly. Apply steady, moderate force. Make sure to keep the drill aligned. Otherwise, you'll widen the hole and complicate repair. You finish by cleaning debris and inspecting threads. Use a tap to restore them or install a helicoil for damaged threads. If an extractor snaps, stop and switch to drilling off the head and removing the remaining shaft with pliers or a slot. You may need to bond a nut on the stub for leverage. Make sure replacement hardware matches grade and length. One troubleshooting tip: if the screw refuses to move, heat the area gently with a heat gun to expand metal. Then reapply penetrating oil and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.